Namaste children. How are you all? I hope you are fine. And in the last class we have discussed the relationship between zeros of a quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial with the coefficients of cubic polynomial and quadratic polynomial, and how to find out the quadratic polynomial when we know sum and product of the zeros of a quadratic polynomial are known. So now in this class we are going to discuss about the division algorithm of polynomials. So this division algorithm already you have come across in the lower classes, that is division formula, which is nothing but dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. That concept we can also it is applicable for the polynomials. We are going to discuss for that. Before starting this division algorithm of polynomials, we will discuss for arithmetic, that is numbers. Division algorithm of numbers we will discuss now. So what it is division algorithm of related to this for numbers it is, see here. So if you take when we divide 7 divided by 2, 7 divided by 2, divide 7 with 2, what we get? 7 when we divide with 2, 2 3s are 6, 7 minus 6 it is 1, we will subtract. What we call this number 2 and what we call this number 7 and what we call this number 3 and what we call this number 1. The same terminology also applicable for a division algorithm of polynomials. So what we call this term, it is divisor. What is this? It is divisor. And what is this? 7 is known as dividend. And what about this 3? 3 is known as quotient. And 1 is known as remainder. So now we can check, we have studied in the lower class whether our division is correct or not. We will verify by using the concept of dividend is equals to divisor into quotient, plus remainder. Dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So here dividend is equals to what? 7. We are going to check whether 7 is equals to the product of divisor and quotient plus remainder. So here divisor is equals to 2 into quotient is equals to 3 plus remainder is equals to, what is remainder? It is 1. So now, as for the bottom rule, first we will multiply the numbers, then we will add the numbers. 2 into 3 is 6. 6 plus 1, that is equals to 7. So now, LHS is equals to RHS. Hence it is verified. Is it clear, children? So this is known as division algorithm of arithmetic, that is numbers. The same concept will also apply. It is applicable for the polynomials also. We will discuss that division algorithm of polynomials. Is it clear? Now we will discuss division algorithm of polynomials. Its statement is, it states that the given any polynomial p of x is a given polynomial, and any non-zero polynomial g of x. So we are given two polynomials p of x and g of x. They are non. So here especially g of x is non-zero polynomial, means g of x should not be a zero polynomial, means it is not zero. Other than zero it can take any polynomial. There are polynomials q of x and r of x. So when two polynomials p of x and g of x are given, then there exist two polynomials q of x and r of x, such that how they are existing, such that p of x is equals to, that is the first polynomial, is equals to g of x into q of x plus r of x. Like what we have discussed, it is dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So here p of x is equals to g of x into q of x. Q of x is nothing but quotient polynomial. We call this as quotient polynomial plus r of x. R of x is nothing but remainder polynomial, and g of x is nothing but divisor polynomial. This is dividend polynomial. and there is a condition where r of x is equals to 0, that is remainder polynomial is equals to 0, or the other case it is the degree of r of x is less than degree of g of x, that is a divisor. Even in our general division also we have said always the remainder should be 0 or less than what it is, less than the divisor. It should not be more than the divisor, or it should not equal to the divisor. So the remainder is always 0 in the arithmetic. The remainder is always less than the divisor. The remainder is always less than the divisor in the arithmetic we have studied. But here the remainder r of x, it may be 0, or if it is not 0 means the degree of r of x is less than the degree of g of x. That is, degree of the remainder polynomial is less than the degree of g of x. G of x is nothing but divisor polynomial. So two cases, remainder may be 0, or if remainder is not equal to 0, the degree of r of x should be less than the degree of g of x. If remainder is 0, what we call the divisors? We call the divisors are factors. What are factors? The numbers which leaves remainder 0 on division are known as factors. If we get remainder 0, we call the divisors are factors. Now we will check it is simply what we can say in our own words is dividend polynomial is equals to divisor polynomial into quotient polynomial plus remainder polynomial, where remainder polynomial is 0 or the degree of remainder polynomial r of x is less than the degree of g of x. We will discuss whether it is satisfied or not for the polynomials with an example. So divide 2x square plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 2. Divide 2x square plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 2. Here the first polynomial of 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is the p of x, and x plus 2 is the g of x, that is a divisor polynomial, and it is dividend polynomials. So let p of x is equals to 2x square plus 3x plus 1, 2x square plus 3x plus 1, and g of x is equals to x plus 2. We have to divide this. How to divide the polynomials we have studied in the 9th standard. There are few steps are there. I will revise those steps again. So while we are dividing, remember the few steps. Always divide the first term of the dividend with the first term of the divisor. First term of the dividend with the first term of the divisor to get the quotient. So when we get that quotient is multiplied the divisor, and we will write under the dividend that product. Then we will subtract, and we will repeat the same step. Again, second dividend which we get, from that divide the first term of the dividend with the first term of the divisor, and repeat the process till we get the remainder. That is, when we can say that remainder, all the terms are to be taken out. All the terms are taken out for the division, or what I said here, the degree of the r of x should be less than the degree of g of x. When we come across the degree of r of x is less than g of x, our division is over. So now how to divide? So here 2 of this one, 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is there, right? 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided with x plus 2. So here you remember the first and foremost step is all the terms of both dividend and divisor should be in the decreasing order of their powers. Should be in the decreasing order of their powers. You see here x square power is 2, x power 1, what is the power? Here it is x power 0. It is in the decreasing order of their power. What about here the divisor? X power 1 plus 2 into x power 0. 1 and 0 are the powers, therefore it is in the decreasing order of their powers. So first step it is observe both dividend and divisor are in the powers are in the decreasing order or not. If they are not in the decreasing order, you regroup them in the decreasing order of the powers, so that our division will be simpler. Second step it is see any terms are missed. in the given polynomial, either in the dividend polynomial or a divisor polynomial, leave some gap for that term or replace 0 for our convenience. So then the third step is divide always the first term of the dividend. Here dividend is 2x square plus 3x plus 1. So the first term it is 2x square. Divide 2x square with what? The first term of the divisor. Here divisor is x plus 2. Its first term is x. So divide 2x square with x. Whatever we get the quotient, that quotient will write under the quotient place. Is that clear? 3 steps are there. We will continue. We will subtract and we will continue the same step. Third step will be continued. So first step, see all the powers are in the decreasing order. It is 2, 1 and 0 of the dividend, 1 and 0 for the divisor. Second step, all the terms are given. Third step, divide what it is. The first term of the dividend it is 2x square. So 2x square when we divide with the first term of the divisor, it is x. So 2x square means it is 2 into x divided by x. X and x are cancelled. So what we got it is 2x. So write this 2x as the quotient here. 2x as the quotient. Then multiply the divisor with 2x. Multiply the divisor with 2x and write the product below the dividend. So how to multiply the monomials, binomials? We have studied in the 8th, even in the studied in the 9th class. So first we need to multiply the arithmetic signs. Then we need to multiply the numbers. Then we need to multiply the variables. While you are multiplying the variables, we use the laws of exponents. So here, plus is here, plus into plus it is plus. What is the coefficient of x? It is 1. 1 into 2, 2. Then x into x it is x square. X power 1 into x power 1 it is 1 plus 4 it is 2, that is x square. Then plus into plus plus 2 into 3, sorry 2 into 2 it is 4, 4x. Now we need to subtract this. While you are subtracting, what to do? We have to change the arithmetic signs. So what are the arithmetic signs here? This minus, plus is there, we get minus, and this is plus is there, we get minus. Now plus 2x square minus 2x square, both will be cancelled, you get 0. Then plus 3x minus 4x. How to subtract the terms? Subtraction of the terms from polynomials is nothing but subtracting their coefficients. Here coefficient is plus 3 and here the coefficient is minus 1. Means the subtraction of two integers, one positive integer and one negative integer. How do we subtract this? Just by subtracting the small number from the bigger number, and we will take the bigger number sign. So here which is the bigger? 4, and it is having minus sign. So subtract 3 from 4. 4 minus 3 is 1x. So which 1x we will get is minus, or simply minus x we will write. Minus x. Then we will bring plus 1. This leftover term we need to bring, that is plus 1. Plus 1. So now it is the second dividend and it is again divided, it is same. Observe whether the degree is less than this divisor or not. What is the degree of this polynomial? 1, and this is the degree of this polynomial is 1. Always this degree should be less than the degree of this divisor or 0. It may be 0. Now again let's continue the third step. What is the third step? Divide the first term of the dividend with the first term of the divisor. So now this is the dividend, which is the first term here, it is minus x. Divide minus x with the first term of the divisor, that is x. So x and x are cancelled. Minus x means it is minus 1x. Therefore we will get this minus 1 as the quotient. So keep minus 1 at here. Then what multiply? Say to minus, it is minus x into 1 or 1 into x, it is 1x, or simply it is x. Plus into minus, minus 1 into 2 it is 2. So now subtract, plus minus sign is there, we get plus, and here minus is will get plus. Now subtract. So what is it is minus x and this is plus x. Both are cancelled, get 0. Now plus 1 plus 2. Both are addition, both are same sizes. So add the numbers. 1 plus 2 it is 3. So now this is a remainder, we got r of x. Remainder it is r of x, and this is q of x. Q of x means it is quotient. This is what? G of x, that is a divisor, and it is what? P of x we have taken already here. We represented what is P of x and what is G of x. Now division is over. Now we need to check whether, see, what is the degree of this polynomial? Degree of this polynomial is 0. Here the degree of this polynomial is 1. So as I said, it is degree of R of x should be less than the degree of G of x. Is it correct? Right. Next, what to do? We have to check whether it is satisfied or not. That is, divisional whether it is satisfied or not by using this concept. Is it clear, children, how to do this division? So what are the steps to be remembered? First step, it is observe the terms of the given polynomials, that is P of x and G of x, that is dividend polynomial and divisor polynomial, should be in the decreasing order of their powers. Second step, it is if any terms are missed, we should take their place as empty, or we can take it as also 0. Then third step, divide the first term of the dividend with the first term of the divisor. Whatever we get the quotient, that we place in the quotient place, and then multiply with this quotient what divisor. Write the product, subtract. While you are subtracting, signs will change. That is, plus will become minus, minus will become plus. Then after that, you will get the second dividend. Again, divide the first term of the second dividend with the first term of the divisor. You get the quotient, that you place it here, and continue the same step. Like this, we will do the division. See that the degree of the remainder R of x should be less than the degree of the divisor polynomial. Here, degree of this is 3 constant. Its value degree is 0. 3 can be written as 3 into x power 0. X power 0 is 1. That's why its degree is 0, and here the degree is 1. It is satisfied. Now we will check whether it is satisfied or not. Now we will discuss the divisional algorithm. That is, P of x is equals to G of x plus G of x into Q of x into Q of x plus R of x. Here P of x is equals to what it is? 2x square plus 3x plus 1, that is equals to Q of x is equals to what it is? X plus 2. It is multiplied with the Q of x. Q of x is equals to quotient, how much we got? It is 2x minus 1 plus R of x, that is remainder, how much we got? 3. Now what to do? So multiply these two, that is x plus 2 into 2x minus 1. How to multiply this? Binomial by a binomial, use the distributive property. So multiply this total 2x minus 1 with x, and then total 2x minus 1 you multiply with the 2. Therefore it is x into 2x minus 1 plus 2 into 2x minus 1 plus 3. So multiply as usual, plus into plus plus, 1 into 2 it is 2. X into x, it is x square, plus into minus minus, x into 1 1x, or simply it is x, that is minus x, plus into plus plus, 2 into 2 it is 4x, plus into minus minus, 2 into 1 it is 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3. Now any like terms are there, you add them, then any unlike terms are there, you keep them as it is. So here minus x and plus 4x is there, like terms. Minus 2 plus 3 are like terms, but here x square term we have only one term is there. Write the term, it is 2x square minus x plus 4x. How to simplify this? So they are like terms, just subtract the what it is coefficients. Minus x coefficient it is 1, that is minus 1, and here x coefficient it is minus plus 4, so plus 4. Subtract minus 1 from 4, that is 1 from 4 will get what it is 3. Then take the larger number sign. Simply it is 4x minus x, that is equals to 3x plus 3x minus 2 plus 3, or 3 minus 2 is equals to plus 1. So now what is the quotient? That is a P of x given dividend polynomial 2x square plus 3x plus 1. What we got on verification? 2x square plus 3x plus 1. This is a P of x. Now both are equal or not? That is LHS is equals to RHS. Hence it is verified. So the divisional algorithm is verified. Hence it is verified. Hence it is verified. Hence it is verified. Like this we verify the division algorithm. So what is that statement of the division algorithm? It states that the given any polynomial p of x and non-zero polynomial g of x, there are polynomials q of x and r of x such that p of x is equals to g of x into q of x plus r of x, where r of x is equals to 0 or degree of r of x is less than degree of g of x. Like this we can verify this. So I told you here on division, if you get the remainder 0, we call that divisor is a factor. We will discuss with one more sum. Now we discuss exercise number 2.3, first bit. Divide the polynomial p of x by the polynomial g of x and find the quotient and remainder in each of the following. So that the second bit. So what it is, division of polynomial p of x by the polynomial g of x. We need to find the quotient and remainder. So p of x is equals to what it is, x to the power of 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. G of x it is x square plus 1x minus x. Now what is the first step we have to follow or we have to observe when we are doing these divisions? It is the first step is see that both the dividend as well as the divisor, they should be, that their terms should be in the decreasing order of their powers. So here power 4 and here it is 2, here 1 and here it is 0. For constants always the power will be 0. Therefore it is in the decreasing order of their powers. Here x square and it is 1 which is 1 into x power 0. Here 0 we got and here it is 1. It is not in the decreasing order of their powers. So we should change, we should regroup this in the decreasing order of their powers. Then second step it is what? Observe that all the terms of the given polynomials are given or not. How would we know? When we observe the decreasing order of their powers, any power is missed, means the term is missed. You see here x power 4, 3x square. So in between we have one more term should be there. What the term it is, x cube term should be there, but it is not given. It is not given means it is 0 only. So in such cases you place 0 or you leave some space and continue the division. Then third step as usual, you should divide the first term of the dividend with the first term of the divisor. So now p of x is given here. It is p of x is equals to what it is, x to the power of 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Now g of x is equals to x square plus 1 minus x. X square plus 1 minus x. So now we need to divide. So quotient, this dividend is equals to x to the power of 4 minus 3x square. Here the x cube term is not there. So write this as 0 x cube or simply 0 you can write. 0 x cube or simply 0 also you can write. Then minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 plus 4x plus 5. It is divided with the dividend is a divisor x square plus 1 minus x, as it is not in the decreasing order of their power. So rearrange this in the decreasing order of their powers as what? X square minus x plus 1. X square minus x plus 1. Now 2, 1 and 0. It is in the decreasing order of their powers. That is x square minus x plus 1 is the divisor. So we need to write by regrouping this. By regrouping the terms, we get x square minus x plus 1. Now, two steps are over. Third step is always divide the first term of the dividend with the first term of the divisor. So here what is the first term? It is x power 4. So x power 4 is divided by x square. So what we get it is x power 4 means it is x square into x square, or you can write x into x divided by x square means x into x. It is x cancelled, x and x are cancelled, then x into x it is x square. So the quotient it is x square. Multiply all the terms with the x square. 1 into 1, 1. X square into x square, it is x to the power of 4. Minus into plus, minus. 1 into 1, it is 1. X into x square, it is x cube. X cube. Plus into plus, plus. 1 into x square, it is x square. Now we need to subtract. So while you are subtracting, the plus sign will change it as minus. Minus will be plus. Plus will be minus. So x power 4 plus x power 4 minus x power 4 are cancelled. Plus 0x cube plus x cube. 0 plus 1. X plus x cube is plus 1x cube. So 0 plus 1 is 1. So we will get it as 1x cube or simply x cube. Minus 3x square minus x square. Minus x square means this minus 1x square. Minus 1x square. Minus 3 minus 1 is equals to minus 4. Add the number, same side is there. So minus 4x square. Then bring the next term. What is the next term? It is plus 4x. Now this will act as the second dividend. Divide the second dividend with the divisor, that is the first term of the second dividend, it is x cube. X cube is divided by the first term of the divisor, it is x square. That is equals to. So x cube means it is x into x divided by x square means it is x into x. X and x are cancelled. This x and x are cancelled. We have it is x. So in the quotient write it as plus x. Now multiply the divisor with the x. 1 into 1 it is 1. X square into x it is x cube. Minus into plus it is minus. X into x it is x square or it is 1x square. Plus into plus plus. 1 into x it is 1x or simply it is x. Change the signs. Minus plus it is minus. Plus x cube minus x cube both are cancelled. Now minus 4x square, this is plus x square. Plus x square means plus 1x square. So subtract the different signs are there, minus 4 and plus 1. Subtract the numbers and take the greater number sign. So 4 minus 4 is 3. 4 is the bigger number, it is having minus sign. Therefore it is minus 3x square. Minus 3x square. Now plus 4x minus x. Minus x in the sense minus 1x. Again different signs are there, subtract. 4 minus 4 is 3. 4 is the bigger number, it is having the plus sign. Therefore it is plus 3x. Next bring the next term. What is the next term? It is plus 5. Plus 5. Now again divide the first term of the dividend, third dividend with the first term of the divisor. That is minus 3x square is divided by x square. X square and x square are cancelled. We get minus 3. So write in the place of quotient as what it is, minus 3. In that place minus 3. Now multiply with minus 3. Plus into minus, minus. 1 into 3 it is 3x square minus 3x square. Minus into minus it is plus. 3 into x it is 3x. 3x. Plus into minus, minus. 1 into 3 it is 3 minus 3. Now subtract. Minus sign is there, you get plus. And this is plus sign is will get minus. Here minus sign is will get plus. Now what we get is minus 3x square plus 3x square both will be cancelled, we get 0. Plus 3x minus 3x both are cancelled, we get 0. Plus 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. Plus 8 we get. Therefore 8 is equals to quotient, remainder, and quotient will be what? X square plus x minus 3. So quotient is equals to, therefore quotient is equals to it is x square plus x minus 3. Then remainder is equals to it is 8. Remainder is equals to 8 and quotient is x square plus x minus 3. Like this we will divide the dividends. For example, if we get remainder 0, then what we call this x square minus x plus 1. This is factor of the dividend. Is it clear, children? How to divide this? Is it clear? Right. Now the homework part, it is homework of today's class. It is exercise number 2.3, question number 1, first and third bit, question number 2, first, second and third bit. So complete this homework in the homework notebook. Thank you. and we will discuss in the next class next concept. Is it clear, children?